Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you just see me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Welcome to our channel. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel, okay? Just subscribe to our channel and always remember to give me thumbs up whenever you watch my video, okay? Today, we want to be talking about how to attract money. Yes, we just uploaded a video on how to use cinnamon powder, cinnamon powder bath to attract money. And I promised us in that video that I'm going to show you also another way you can also attract money, so that if you don't have cinnamon powder, you can have this and you can create it by yourself, okay? So I will always like to look for items that can be accessed, that are easily accessible by people, So, guys, stay put, and I'll show you how to use this particular recipe today. In the recipe of today, this particular one, you are going to be needing ginger powder, okay? Ginger powder. Ginger, as we all know, is one of the fast tracker of spirituality. As in, if you want something to be fast to work for you, you can use ginger. Okay, you can use ginger juice, ginger root, and you can use ginger powder. Okay, so make sure that you can dry your own, or make sure you get the original ginger, not the one that something is added to it. If something is already added to it, it will not work. But if it is pure real ginger that you have, to work for you. Okay, so guys, you are looking for money. Everybody is looking for money. Okay, so now, to attract money, there are two ways you can use ginger to attract money. Yes, and the denomination of the country where you are. I am showing you guys naira and dollar because I am in Nigeria and we accept naira, we accept dollar. Everybody accept dollar in all countries. Okay, so now this one is naira and this one is dollar. It depends on which one you want to attract. Okay, but if you want to attract money, you can just attract money in general. It doesn't matter the denomination, it doesn't matter the country or where it's coming from, as long as the name is money. Okay, so now, how do we use the ginger to attract money, to ginger money into our pocket, into our purses? How do you do that? I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, levels. Let me do mine for you. You're welcome back from that time out. So now, in order to, I said there are two ways you can attract money using this particular recipe. Ginger powder. Okay, you get your glass container. It mustn't be glass container. Okay, please don't get me wrong, because of people, they will say, Medilock, must it be glass container? Must it be only glass? No, it mustn't. In this particular recipe, it mustn't be glass container. Any container will do. Ginger does not have border spiritually. It has a very strong spiritual vibration that it allows it to attract favor, attract money. Have you ever done ginger bath before? As in, you just add ginger powder to your bathing water and use it to bathe. It is for instant attraction, just like coffee. Yes. So now, if you have not seen our videos on all those ones, go and check it out. I have uploaded videos on those things I just mentioned. So this is ginger, this is the powder, okay? This is real ginger powder. So now, this particular one, like now you take a little quantity like this, then when you have this little quantity, what you need to do is to get water. Let me even use this bottle water now. Go and drink water. Yes, drink enough water. Your skin, your body needs water, okay? So that your 1 pack will go down and become 6 packs. All right, just a little drop of the water in the ginger, just to make a paste of it. This one I put is not enough. I can just add a little, so just add a little just to make a paste of it. Make a paste of it, okay? Now, as you have this paste now, what type of money do you want to attract? See, in my front here, I have dollar and I have naira, but you might not have dollar as a denomination before you. So you can use your naira, you can use your kwacha, you can use your CD, you can use your euro, you can use your pound sterling, you can use your dollar, you can use any denomination of the country where you come from, okay? So now, like this one now, if I want to use this money as a point of contact to attract money, all I need to do is to get this money, and then you put ginger, you rub ginger, look at it, you rub it on it, you rub it on it. When you rub it on it like this, you pray over it. In my own case now, I'm going to rub it even on my dollar too. I want to use $100, okay? So I will put it on my dollar because I want to attract more dollars. Just rub it lightly, just lightly. It's already registered that you have rubbed it, okay? So now, having done this, okay, you will now keep them in your front. You use your middle finger, place your middle finger on it, pray and ask God that let money from the 4 corners of the earth locate you, locate your life, locate your destiny, locate your account, locate anything that is connected to you. Pray with faith. Ask, and it shall be given unto you. Seek, you will find. Knock, it shall be opened unto you. This is the word of God. God does not go back on his word. And this is why even in the coven, they use the word of God. If you don't know, I'm telling you now. So, pray. Ask God for what you want, how you want it, and it will be done unto you. This now, when you have this, you can decide to fold this particular money, or you can decide not to fold it. You just put it in a separate side of your purse. Okay? Keep it there. Don't spend it at least for 7 days. Keep it. Let it be hidden in that place. In your purse, your handbag, in your wallet, anywhere you know you keep money. Okay? Put it in a separate place so that you will not mistake it for another money. And if you in case you'll be confused, just get a white paper and then cover it, fold it, so that you will not be seeing it. Because if you are seeing it among your money, you will be tempted to spend it. But after 7 days, you are free to spend this money. After 7 days, it has taken its root in spirituality. Okay? So, and wait and see. You will see wonders. Yes, it works like fire. Okay? Congratulations, and see you again on the other side. I upload video on daily basis. I upload 2 videos on daily basis. Please endeavor to watch my video, okay? And remember to give me thumbs up when you watch my video and share my video with your friends and family, okay? If you want to place order for any of our items, please use the number on the screen. It is a WhatsApp only number. So please use the number on the screen and place order for any of our items. If you are confused, you don't know the name, just send a message to that line that please send me the list of the items you have, or this is what I need, and then you will get response, okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye. Thank you.